Hey YouTube! As a quick follow-up to my modded Huntsman Mini video, which you can find on my channel and in the description, I went ahead and did the same mods to my Huntsman TE and found that the sound of the Razer red linear switches is also greatly improved. This is just a short video comparing the before and after sound, so if you like the results, go check out my other video on how to do this with your own Huntsman. I used the exact same procedure for the TE as I did for the Mini, plus an extra step which I will cover later in this video. The stock Huntsman TE sound wasn't too bad and never made me wish to mod it like the Mini did. Let's check it out right now. There's certainly room for improvement, so now I'm going to open up the keyboard and add sound dampening foam as well as lube the switches and stabilizers. One difference in the disassembly of the Huntsman TE is that in addition to the 13 screws on the front of the plate, there's also a hidden screw on the back by the USB-C port. The last screw is hidden under a thin plastic sticker, so we can just use a small flathead screwdriver to pry up the sticker a bit and get to the screw underneath. Now that we've reassembled the Huntsman TE after our mods, let's check out how it sounds. I think you'll be pleasantly surprised by the improvement. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments or on Twitter how your own project turns out.